The court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. Please give the court your full attention when your name is called. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petwick. This is the People versus John Ramirez, ticket number P1166589, count 1, drive with revoked license, ticket number 217373951, count 1, go without cycle endorsement, no moped license, ticket number, count 2, drove while unlicensed, ticket number U61778121, count 1, disorderly conduct, ticket number U5964221, count 1, offer to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution, ticket number U61787521, count 1, disorderly conduct, and ticket number P1202926, count 1. This might be a default. Fail to use due care and caution. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with attorney Burton Harris.
Good morning, Judge. Robert Burton Harris, P81843. I am working on behalf of the Detroit Justice Center on behalf of Mr. John Ramirez, who is present on Zoom and consents this hearing being conducted on it.
All right, Mr. Ramirez, state your name, Mr. Oh, you know what? I should have said Ms. Horn. Ms. Horn, you want to state your name for the record?
Oh, thank you, Your Honor. Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303.
And Mr. Ramirez, can you state your name, sir? Mr. Ramirez, can you hear?
John, say your name.
I can barely hear. I can barely hear anybody.
Yeah, just say your name.
John Ramirez.
All right, there is an offer that if your client makes admissions to the U ticket ending in 021 and the U ticket ending in 121 with the 6-month delayed sentence, and then it looks like the 021 would be admitted to disorderly conduct. Is that correct? Okay. And then everything else will be dismissed. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer?
Yes, Judge, just for completeness, I believe the U ticket, not the OTE, but the other U ticket, that's going to be under a 6-month delay sentence.
Right, the ticket ending in 121 is the 6-month delayed sentence, and then the OTE ticket, that's the one that's being amended to disorderly conduct. Is that correct?
That's correct. Yep.
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor. And for the record, the people are acknowledging that today was the date and time set for defendant's motion to dismiss duplicate tickets and also an order of discovery, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, let me just get my bearings for 1 second. Okay, Mr. Ramirez, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Burton Harris, today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 19, 2021 at 8:26 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Jefferson and Randolph in the city of Detroit?
Judge, I'm really sorry to interrupt. I don't think we also put the condition of the sentence agreement on the record. In addition to Mr. Ramirez's guilty pleas as stated, there's also a sentencing agreement attached of no type of jail or incarceration, and also non-reporting probation.
And Your Honor, in response to that, if I may, that is the agreement from the prosecutor. However, it is in the judge's discretion if any other conditions will be offered.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, on the date of October 19, 2021 at 8:26 p.m., were you at Jefferson and Randolph in the city of Detroit?
Excuse me, I'm not trying to, so is the offer on the table that was said from my attorney, or are we not meeting eye to eye on the offer?
It's the same thing I explained to you, John. I was just clarifying for the record.
Okay,
that-
yeah, I just wanted to make sure, okay.
Yep.
Do I need to ask the question again, Mr. Ramirez, or do you remember?
No, yeah,
Okay, so you're saying yes?
Yes.
You were at Randolph on October 19th? Okay, and did you engage in disorderly conduct on that date and time?
yes,
I'm also going to direct your attention to the date of April 27, 2021 at 5:48 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of McNichols and Woodbine in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Did you engage in disorderly conduct on that day?
yes,
You're satisfied, Ms. Horn?
Satisfied, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Harris, you're satisfied?
So satisfied, Judge.
And the court is also satisfied. We'll amend the second ticket or the ticket ending in 021 to disorderly conduct. And you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Judge.
Okay, those are dismissed without prejudice, and we'll proceed to sentencing. I see that one of the counts is a 6-month delayed sentence, and the recommendation is for non-reporting. Ms. Horn, do you have any argument as to what you're recommending for probation? Or I'm sorry, for sentencing?
No argument, Your Honor. The people are at this time satisfied with the 6-month delayed sentence because it would also serve as kind of like a semi-probationary period as well.
Got it. That's what I figured. Okay. Any
Thank you.
argument, Mr. Burton Harris?
No, Judge. I think that part of the reason why this case has gone on a little long, even though I've just got involved with it, was because there were some issues, and I think the city has acknowledged and accepted the quality of the case. And for those reasons, I would just ask Your Honor to follow the recommendations for sentencing.
Okay. All right. So what the court is going to do is order 6-month non-reporting probationary period, which goes along with the delayed sentence. There is going to be a fine of $200 for both counts. No, I'll do this. I'll do $300 for the delayed sentence. I don't even know if I can do that. I'll leave it as it. $200 for both counts will be the fine, so it's gonna be a total of $400. Just give me one moment.
It's an hour. Right? I don't think so.
Okay.
If it's an hour.
All right. Okay, so this is, and then I'll give him a date in 6 months. 1 second.
But we don't need it if it's not patient.
So February 15th at 8:35 will be the next date. You know what, I would like for him to also participate in the misdemeanor morality course. I do have a phone number for that whenever you're ready.
Well, okay, you said misdemeanor morality court?
Course, it's a class.
Course, okay. Is that online or is that something that he has to go to in person?
Honestly, I'm not sure, but I'll give you the phone number. They can give you more details about it. It's 313-864-8205. I'm sure that there's, well, I'm not sure, but I would suspect that he would be able to somehow do it without going somewhere in person.
That's fine, Judge. We'll call them and get the details.
Okay. All right, any other questions?
None from the defense. John, you can call me after we're done if you have any questions.
All right, thank you.
All right, you guys are all set.
All right, thank you, Judge. Good seeing you.
Yes, likewise.